Okay, let's start by sketching the circle that represents all of the points that are square root 10 units from the point 1, 0. So here's 1, 0, and square root 10 is a little bit more than 3, so we'll just go a little bit more than 3 units in each direction. So here we have a rough sketch of that circle. And then we also want the points that are square root 10 units from the point 5, 4. So we'll do the same thing. Here's 5, 4, and then a little more than 3 in each direction. It's going to give us something like this. So we're looking for those 2 points that satisfy both circles. Let's write the equation of each circle. So the blue one would have equation x minus 1 quantity squared plus y squared equals 10. And the green one would have equation x minus 5 quantity squared plus y minus 4 quantity squared equals 10. So we want to find the points of intersection of the system. So the next thing I would do is multiply everything out in both equations. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared equals 10. And we have x squared minus 10x plus 25 plus y squared minus 8y plus 16 equals 10. Okay, so our goal is to solve the system. And what we can do is simplify the second one. We'll simplify both, really, before we do anything else. So the first equation is going to simplify to be x squared plus y squared minus 2x equals 9. And the second equation is x squared plus y squared minus 10x minus 8y equals, let's see, we'll subtract 41 from both sides, so equals negative 31. Okay, now let's go ahead and subtract these two equations, and we can eliminate x squared and eliminate y squared. So that's going to give us 8x plus 8y equals 40. If we divide that equation by 8, we have x plus y equals 5. All right, let's isolate y in that equation. And we have y equals 5 minus x. And then let's substitute that back into one of our previous equations. So we could substitute that in for y in our first circle's equation. So now we have x minus 1 quantity squared plus 5 minus x quantity squared equals 10 for our first circle. Let's solve this equation for x. So multiplying this out, and then combining like terms, we have 2x squared minus 12x plus 26 equals 10. So 2x squared minus 12x plus 16 equals 0. Let's divide by 2. X squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. Let's factor x minus 2 times x minus 4, and then set each factor equal to 0, and we get x equals 2 or x equals 4. And then remember that y is equal to 5 minus x, so y equals 5 minus 2, which is 3, or y equals 5 minus 4, which is 1. So that means our intersection points have coordinates 2, 3, and 4, 1. Let's go back to the graph and check to see if those seem reasonable. 2, 3, and 4, 1. 2, 3, that seems close to the one we kind of had sketched, and 4, 1, that seems close as well.